Assalamualaikum grade 6 students online with computers. Grade 6 students, now we are going to start chapter number 6, more features of MS PowerPoint 2010. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to MS PowerPoint. Discuss slide layouts, rearrange the slides, copy the slides, create own design templates, apply theme to slide, apply different background style to slide, insert smart art to slide, apply custom animation, apply slide transition. Discuss about charts in MS PowerPoint 2010. Grade 6 students, our first topic is slide layout. Students will underline the definition and learn it. A slide layout contains placeholders to hold various types of contents. To change the slide layout, follow the given step. Select the slide whose layout you want to change. Select the slide. After selecting the slide, click Home tab from the ribbon. Click Layout option from Slides group. After click this button, this page will appear on your computer screen. Select the slide format according to your choice. The selected slide appears in your selected layout. Views in MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint has three main views: normal view, slide sorter view, slide show view. These three views are present on the status bar in the right side. First, we discuss about normal view. Normal view is the main editing view. You can add text, graphics, chart in your working area of your document. By using normal view, you can make outline tab, slides pane and note pane. This is the picture of outline tab for presentation. This is the picture of slide pane of presentation, and this is the picture of your notes pane. Second point is slide sorter view. Students will underline the definition and learn it. Slide sorter view helps to view your slides in thumbnails form. To see your slides in thumbnail form, follow the given step. Click the View tab on the ribbon. Click Slide Sorter View from Presentation Views group. The slide will appear as thumbnail form. It gives you an overall picture of your slide, and now you can easily rearrange or delete slides from your presentation. Slideshow view. To set up the slideshow view, follow the given step. Go to the slideshow tab from the ribbon. After this, start slideshow groups appear. Click from beginning. From start slideshow group. When you click this button, the particular slideshow will start. To exit from slideshow, press Escape key. How to rearrange slides? Slide sorter view show the slides of your presentation in thumbnails form. And in thumbnails form, you can easily rearrange your slides. To rearrange the slides of your presentation or slide sorter view, follow the given step. Open the presentation in which you want to rearrange your slides. Click View tab from the ribbon. Click Slide Sorter View from Presentation Views. Your slides appear on your computer screen in the thumbnails form. Now you can easily rearrange your slides by selecting it with mouse and dragging. And after going to the required position, release the mouse button. How to copy slides? To copy the slides, follow the given step. Select the slide you want to copy. Hold on the Control key while you drag the slide. The selected slides gets copied in the document.